Hey guys, how are you? I'm going to tell you that how can you solve or fix the issue lock screen not available on your iPhone. So this is a very normal and easy trick to follow. What you have to do, because there is no error in my phone right now, I'm just telling you the procedure by which you can just solve this error. So firstly, we just need to understand that for any type of this error, your iPhone may be lagging or maybe it's hanging due to over storage or maybe overheating using on charging. So these things affect iPhone's battery health and they lay down due to your this error. This is the reason behind it. So I'm telling you how to solve it. Firstly, you just need to click on the volume down button like this on your iPhone and the power button together for 3 or 4 seconds. Hold it and then you can see there is option called slide to power off. You just have to power off your mobile phone from here, and whenever if you are on like this is home screen or you are stuck here, so how can you perform this action? The same procedure, volume low and power button together, and then you can slide to power off. After powering off, your phone will be restart and the issue will be resolved. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you like, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you. Keep watching, keep loving, and keep learning.